Welcome, guys. Welcome to another impactful lecture on forex trading. This is a beginner series, and I'm taking you on a different topic today. Today, we are looking at order types of orders in the market, in the forex market. Um, Different brokers have different order types, but we are going to focus on the most common order types that you're going to see in your day-to-day trading. What is an order in forex? So an order an order refers to how you enter or exit a trade. So how you enter a trade, how you exit a trade is referred to as an order. Remember that what you do in forex trading is to determine if the market will rise or will fall. In other words, to determine if the market will go bullish or bearish. So let's say we want to get into this market now. We want to trade this particular market now. We are currently in the 4 hour time frame of Euro USD, and let's say we want to actually get into this trade right now. And what we just do is we just determine, first thing to determine is your point of interest, your POI. Where is your point of interest? Where do you want to get into this market? Because you can't just enter anywhere. Let me get a straight line tool. You can go to your tool area. So we have a toolbox. Click on this sign here. Take it to your toolbox. You can get your straight line. So let's say this straight line here. We want to enter this particular area here. This where we have this straight line. Let's enter this area here. Okay. So we don't want to let's say we are very busy, and we don't want to miss the move. We want the market to pick us up at this exact location, at this exact zone. So what we'll use here is called a buy limit. Okay, we won't be in the market at this time when the market get to this position, because the market has to fall. The market has to right now, it's currently at this position here, but we don't want to enter at this position here. It's too expensive for us. So we want to one price to fall down to this zone here, so that we can buy. But we know that we're going to be very busy. We're not going to be around when this happens, because we cannot be monitoring the trade. This is 4 hour time frame. We cannot be monitoring this trade for we're watching it every time. So a way we can get into this market without being here, or always be checking this trade, is using the buy limit order. Buy limit order will allow you to enter a trade even when you are not there to click buy or sell. This is your buy and this is your sell. So that we might not be there to click buy and sell, we can just put our buy limit order to 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 bring us in the trade whenever price gets to this exact position. Right now, you can see the price lines at this position here. Whenever this price line comes to this area here, price will pick us up. So let me set up the buy limits for you. Understand? So we click on these buttons here, this button there. We click here, and we can see the buy limits as already shown. But this is one of the easiest way to do it. We can just we move the buy limit to the position we want to get into the market. So we put it here. You will see your XL, which means stop loss, and your TP, which means to take profit. So we put our stop loss. This stop loss refers to where we want the market to stop us, or kick us out of the trade when we are losing too much. Because sometimes if this candle exceeds our zone and bring us into the market, and the price keep going against our prediction. Remember, yes, we are beating the market, we buy once it gets to this our zone here. So if the market keeps going down, 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 and we are losing too much, we don't want the market to blow our account, or so that we lose everything we have in our account. We can put the stop loss here to kick us out of the trade when we get to this particular amount of $117. So once price gets to our stop loss, price will kick us out of the trade. That is what the stop loss feature is all about. It protects your account. It keeps you from losing much money. It only allows you to lose the determined amount you're risking. So here we put our TP, so that maybe $200. You understand? This is $200 there. You can see it USD. So we now click on the arrow here, and boom, we now put place, and boom, we are in the trade. So whenever price, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. So whenever price comes down to this exact buy limit zone, price will just automatically get into the trade, and will be active. You understand? For instance, let me just show you an example. Let's say I put the buy limit around here, and watch how it will just kick me in once price gets to that zone. Okay, let me take it a bit closer. Okay, so let's see if once price come to this point, you see that the price will just uh, put me in the trade. Okay, you can watch how price get to this point, and you see how price will just um, bring me into the trade, even without me clicking on this sell or buy buttons, because these are manual way to get into the trade. When you're actively involved, you're actively involved, you're around, you want to get in by yourself. These are manual ways to get into. You can click on sell, you can click on buy, and then let me say I click on buy now, buy now, bam, now I'm in the trade. That's using the manual method. Okay, I'm actively in the trade even without even using the buy limit. But the buy limit will ensure that even when you are not around, you can still benefit from the market. But once it hits your buy limit zone, the price will pick up and kick you in the trade so that you can make your maximum profit. So the buy limit is the first we'll talk about today. We'll move to other orders uh, that are very, very important in our trading. So we'll talk about the manual buy and sell. Those are the first orders. Buy and sell orders are your first orders. They are your first orders. These are the manual way to get into the trade. Then we'll talk about the buy limit. The buy limit order is used to um, um, is used to place trades in a situation whereby you might not be around to take that trade yourself, or you just want to. Now, let's watch. Yeah, I'm not in. Let's watch, and bam, I'm in. You see, this is the trading now. It has bring us into the trade even without us clicking on this manual buy and sell. We are just in the trade. So that's how the buy limit functions. You understand? It's how the buy limit functions. I hope that is clear. So we'll move to the next order. We are on $1 profit. We'll move to the next order, and then we see how to navigate the next type of order. Now let's talk about the sell limit, because if there's a buy limit, there should be a sell limit. Now the sell limit allows you to enter a sell position in a zone that price has not yet reached. Let's say a zone that price has not yet reached, you want to get into the market and you will not be around to physically place that trade. The sell limit allows you to place your orders in specific zone that you anticipate price to get to. And once price gets to that zone, the price will automatically bring you into the trade without you having a need to manually click sell the non-asset order on that trade. So this is how to put the sell limit. The same thing, you move your cursor above. Okay, so you move the buy limit line above, but it has to be above. It has to be above. So you move it above price. The buy limit goes above because you're selling, so you have to pick price then go down. So it has to go above it, and then the buy limit goes below because you're buying. So price has to pick your order below, then move up. So since you're selling, it has to go above. So when price comes to this order or your order zone, it picks your price and then begins to drop. So you set your stop loss above, and then your take profit below. Since you're selling, your TP has to be below. This is your stop loss. And since if you're buying, your TP will be above because you're buying because you're predicting that the market will go up to a particular point. So your TP has to be above, your stop loss below. If you're selling, stop loss will be above, your TP will be below. So we now place our sell limit. That's how to place your sell limit orders. So let's talk about buy stop and sell stop. Okay, the buy stop order is an order used to get yourself. These are pending orders. They are used to um, bring yourself into a trade. Let's say you want to get yourself into a trade and you will not. Let's say you've identified your PY, your point of interest, and it is a zone that is above the market current price. Let's say price is below, and you want to get in above current market price. Then you use your buy stop order. Buy limit goes below, buy stop order goes above. So for instance now, Let's say my POI is around this zone here. That's a point of interest, not below, above price. If my point of interest is above price, I will come with my, I will now, I will come, okay, and then I will put my stop loss. Since I'm buying, it has to be below, the TPO has to be above. So then I will click on it. So bam, it's activated. Let me click on let me move order pending orders. These are pending orders. They're pending order because price will have to get to them for them to be activated. So once the price gets to them, it will not be activated. So 5 minutes time frame. So this is my buy. So whenever most price gets to this exact location here, this exact point here, I will automatically be getting to the trade. So I will just get into the price will just pick me in. You understand? So this is buy stop. And then the reverse is sell stop. Sell stop is also the same. When price is above and you want to when price is above and you want to get in, you can put your sell stop below. Price above, put your sell stop below, and then you enter your stop loss and take profits. So these are all different kinds of pending orders. Understand? This is another way to get. You can click on trade, click here, put your market execution, put your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit. All these are the different market execution. Here you can put your stop, your lot sizes. Here you put your stop loss. You can go, you get your tools, let's say your line tools. Want to put your stop loss at this point, you can click on the line, click on it. Okay, you just hold it here. Okay, hold it. Okay, still pops up. You copy the points, the number. I'm teaching you how to set your pick your, you can click and put your stop loss there. Same thing goes for TP. TP has to be above for if you are going for a buy. You can click put your TP and then click on buy market, and then boom, you're in the market. See my stop loss, see my position. So these are how to set your pending orders, and it's very important that you master them. You can see them, your stop loss, you copy the number, you add your TP, you buy and sell. So these are all the different ways. Click on this essay, you can see your different pairs and select it. So that is just it.